But we have at least had a little bit of adventure. Alright, I'm in Eco. I have 106 miles. We got 48 miles to go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Bye.
I'll see you later.
Oh, that was nice.
This major butter shit.
What the hell? Oh
It's a
shit, the road's closed.
Oh.
Okay, this is going to be fun.
Why's the road closed?
I don't know. I don't remember seeing any warnings. I haven't seen the diversion either. Alright, let's figure... No, actually I might just be putting it, turning us around in a long-winded way.
I follow the car in front.
Yeah, that's what I was kind of doing. Into a traffic jam.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Oh, yep. This is fun. Thank you. Just use your back brake. Remember you got one. Well, on the bright side, I've got plenty of battery left.
In the middle of the road. I see you.
Yeah.
I've still got no signal.
Oh, I've still got nearly full. Right, you. What are you doing? Sorry, I don't know what this Fiat's doing. I don't want to go past.
I know.
Right, come on.
That was, that is,
Fucking hell.
yeah.
I can't believe they've closed the road and just done nothing. I'd have to look back. The reason I stopped there is like, well, if you said you stopped behind a van, then I lost you. So it's like, right, and I figured I may as well change the battery in the camera.
Yeah, where are we going?
Just go straight. Oh, hang on, save there.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
Did you not see that bike?
No, because I was looking to avoid you. So...
Right. That was KTM.
Yeah, I noticed that. Try not to run the dogs. Is he alright?
The waves.
Oh, car.
I'll stay here for a minute.
Oh, yeah, this road looked like it started getting washed away. Oh, look. It's our friendly neighbourhood idiot on the push bike. I'll tell you what, this is where torque is handy. Oh, I don't know what I did from a 360. Are you doing alright back there? It's gone very quiet. Hello?
So I waited for that car to come past and it went up.
Oh, right.
And it was like, wow, this road is not open, surely. It can't be open.
I was very glad of not having gears and having instant torque on that one, I tell you. Right, sharp right, sharp left.
So
Oh, it's actually a junction. Huh. Oh, road closed.
Oh, wow.
Oh, fuck. I want to get round you, beast.
In all fairness, we have seen the cars down there.
I know, yeah. So again, I've not seen diversion and no warning of it being shut. So now where are you? Oh, for God's sake. It's alright, it's just the interference is really annoying.
It's just, has somebody played a joke and moved that road sign
I've no idea.
and closed the road when it's not actually closed?
I don't know. I can see, I mean, for a car, yeah, I could see that being closed.
Dangerous,
but
yeah.
For a bike, I didn't really find that an issue. It's
Well,
just a hell of a road.
that's a cool road.
So,
I was thinking more of it's a green lane.
it's borderline. Take it easy on a blind bend because I literally cannot see anything. Gonna go over the other side, try and see. I'll give you a heads up if there's a vehicle.
So,
Oh, okay. Oh,
I just want to practice some. Yeah.
Hey! They're growing white things in that field. Yeah, so it turns out the battery on this camera lasts for about an hour,
Right.
I think. Hour and a half, something like that. It's
Yeah.
hard to say. So, which is a hell of a lot better than the others.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, keep going straight.
Oh, is that a road there? Yeah, these are the sort of roads.
Yeah, this is what I was hoping. So, maybe I should have told it like very twisty. If that was an option, I can't remember now. Sorry, I'm just ambling along.
Alright, I'm avoiding, or trying to avoid the holes in the road.
I'm not really noticing them, to be honest.
But you're not looking where you're going. There's a
The
lot
bike
of holes.
knows where it's going. It's going straight on into mud and shit. Thought we might have been able to see the Abbey by now.
Well, are we anywhere near Whitby?
Oh, we're still 13 miles away, so. But the Earth's flat, so we should be able to see it because it's high up. Ovs. This bike is really comfy stood up, I must say. Just so natural.
Well, that's what I thought of the NC. The NC felt so natural standing.
All I can see is a light.
Fine, because
66%, 71 miles. But I'm not counting the miles. It's so unreliable. The battery percentage. So don't know what that was. I think it was a bunny. See, this is the corners are a bit iffy. Oh, for God's sake.
didn't realise you got that far ahead.
Neither did I. I looked behind you, you weren't there. The rider disconnected. I was like, what? Where have you gone? I think that stuff like this is what I think the electric bike's good at, because you've not got a loud exhaust to disturb people. So, can't see anything. Looking as far as I can. So, the nice thing is, because this is more sort of accelerate, decelerate, so you got more regen.
Yeah.
So it'd be interesting to see how many miles it does, because I did take a photo at the start, so I know what I've got in terms of the odometer.
Yeah.
So I'm sure, according to Google anyway, it was about 53 miles, I think. But that was, oh bloody hell. Sorry, I just got distracted by that.
Oh, I didn't see no sign for the percentage of it going down.
I know, but I'm looking at the view. Sorry, I'm dragging the view out as long as I can.
Yeah. No,
Wow.
so yeah. That would be an amazing place to live.
Oh, mate. Oh. Ah. Hey, look. It's an amusement park in Wales. Get the wiggle on. Alright, we are going straight onto that main road, so it's going to get boring again. But we have at least had a little bit of adventure.
Yeah, I actually really enjoyed that ride. I want to go back on it.
Yeah, I mean the traffic was irritating.
No, just the bit that we went on.
Yeah.
Where the road was technically closed.
Yeah. Well, it had a sign saying shut, but yeah, it was a bit of a mystery, that one. Right, I'm going to wait until you're
Yeah, sorry.
closer. Alright, go.
Right, it's clear.
That's why I just said go.
Alright, I'm going.
Well, go then. Come on, hurry up.
I'm trying.
I'll slow down for you. I'll put it in sport mode and really leave you behind. Or do we need to do 55?
Oh, sorry, I was looking at the view. I didn't realise to slow down.
Well, I know you're on about fuel, so it's like you trying to go slow to conserve fuel, or what you doing? I was a bit confused. Oh, apparently we're going to a high street. Yeah. There's a thing in the road. I think it might have been a rabbit, but I'm not sure. Sorry, I was having a look how much regen I was getting. Oh, it's a bloody 30.
Where are we?
Borough of Scarborough. Yeah, Scarborough is actually quite a large area.
I didn't realise that.
Neither did I. Not until I moved there. So, because obviously you've got Scarborough town, but then you've got the borough of Scarborough.
Yeah.
So, which obviously includes Whitby and all sorts. I think it's Staves. That's where we are. Staves. Oh, hello. It's fake, but nice. We're into a national park. Did you see?
Yeah. About time.
Oh, a bistro and cafe.
Antiques.
Oh, yeah, you would see that. And back down to 30. Going to do my indicator 30 and then we don't get a ticket. Thought the car would have come through.
Oh, I'm surprised. I'm going
Yo.
to put my hand up.
Yeah.
I was not. Oh, they're stopping as well.
sort of. They're stopping in the middle of the road.
Yeah, but they're stopped.
Yeah. What is it? Because we're on a bike, we don't have right of way. Is that what it is?
No, we do. We just don't need as much room.
I know, but that's not the point.
No, I know, but does it matter?
Well, if I'd have hit something and would have pushed me to the right, yeah, yes, it does.
What a glorious day.
Yeah, well, it's after a storm, isn't it? So.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Oh, how rude.
What?
Oh, fuel.
Oh yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, I know. I was a bit slow on that. I've got 37 miles. Okay.
I've got 74.
National Park forever.
National!
Not much happens at this point, so we've sped up the footage just while we're heading towards Whitby. Getting really close now. The roads are fairly straight, a little bit of twist, nothing too exciting. So yeah, I'll pick it up when we're nearer Whitby.
And this is Whitby. Danger from heavy seas. Oh, okay. Can't be that bad, there's boats.
Look at the waves. That
I
bodyboarding
know,
would be fucking awesome.
Aye. Happy days. Amazing. Finally, so we had some good fortune. I have a day off and it's not bloody pissing down. So.
Yet. God, the bikers are snobby, aren't they?
Yep, I noticed that.
I thought it was bad enough in Bishop. Maybe we should put that in the comments. Why are bikers so snobby in the north?
Biker nod or biker not?
Wherever he's going, we can go.
You can see across.
Well, yeah, but also we'll get through anyway.
Yeah.
Oh. It's quite tight, that.
I think I would have been a bit more nervous on my Suzuki on that bit.
Well, you
I think because of the weight of this and just sort of like the position in that, it just feels really good. Oh, look, the planes were having a race. Alright, where did you want to go? Do you want to head to the Abbey, do you?
Yeah, I would have thought the Abbey would be a better place for parking.
Yeah?
Because we'll get... Well, we're free because of English heritage.
Ah. I don't have a sticker.
No, nor do I, but... There's
We have our cards.
Yeah. I've never come into Whitby this way.
No, actually, I haven't. I think if I've been to Whitby before, I've either come from inland or it's come up from Scarborough.
Yeah.
It was quite an adventurous route, really.
It is. Well, apart from the A17.
Yeah. Can't have everything.
Took us through Middlesbrough when you could have gone on the A19 and then go down the A17 after.
Have you finished?
For now.
Did you consider it might have been saving my battery?
I don't care about your battery. It wasn't saving my fuel.
Well, that's your problem. I was fully fueled, I was.
Well, I thought I would go with having the same mileage as you and see how it worked. That's bloody backfired because I've only got 37 miles left.
I've got 56% battery. See, I think it's more riding like this that electric bikes are alright. Because you can keep up with a petrol bike, no problem.
So, hey,
But I don't know.
it's just everyone seems to be picking up speed.
I'm just doing the speed of the traffic, to be honest. I would have thought it's 30, but I haven't seen a repeater. Well, there's a 40 now, so I don't know how fast it was. I don't know why I've slowed down so much. How many people are going to ask about the bike, do you reckon?
Well, let's go up the Abbey. They might not get so many people.
To be fair, if I'm not at a charging station, I don't think people realise it's an electric bike.
Yeah.
So, straight over. Eventually.
I was going to say they're taking their time. Pickering!
Never seen this part of Whitby before.
No, not right.
Motorbike. Let's see if we get a nod this time.
It's a learner.
He wasn't looking.
No, he didn't. Snobby git.
Oh, there's a stadium. So we're turning. We are turning.
I don't mean it. That's all. Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Shit. It's a lot sharper.
Oh shit! What the fuck did I just hit? It wasn't the sharpness of the bend. I hit something, and I think it very nearly took me off. I'll have to watch that back because I don't know what happened there.
Weird. Yeah, I don't remember all those buildings back there. it really threw me off.
Yeah, didn't it just? That's the trouble. It's the same everywhere. There's so much building work.
Yeah.
It's just destroying the country. I just want to know who's buying these fucking houses.
How the hell did it get the mortgages?
Exactly. They keep going on about this cost of living, everything's so expensive and all the rest of it, and yet they're building hundreds and thousands of houses when people are, I don't know.
Maybe.
Fuck it, doesn't matter.
No.
We've got a nice road now. Try and get as far around that bend as I can.
Oh, country air.
The old farmer, he's going to be out with his old tractor, isn't he? He's got scrubbery in one hand and got cow shit in the other, he has.
Oh, why are you just stopping, you fucking numpty?
I don't know if I saw an indicator or if I saw a reverse. I really couldn't tell what that was.
it's nice of him to pull over for us, but a
Could
little
have
more,
signalled that's what he was doing.
a little bit more notice, yeah.
Yeah. He's probably used to bikers being idiots. But he should have known, we're not on a sports bike. Hey look, there's the Abbey.
I don't remember all this. I remember the house, I don't remember all these static vans.
Yeah, well, I'm guessing somebody started up a business. Turn the corner, Gav. There you go.
That was me as well.
I suddenly looked at the view, I was about to say, oh, phew, and I just turned to look, and it's like, oh, there's a bend.
Yep.
It's like, oh yeah, turn that. Oh, God. How am I not dead?
But I often say that.
I'm just thinking about it. I've been to Whitby, but I don't think I've ever actually been to the Abbey.
Have you?
No.
Oh, the Abbey's amazing.
I've normally come in, we've had fish and chips,
Yeah.
had a pint, and then fucked off.
Wet road.
Is there?
Woo! Thank you, you dickhead! Hey, get over!
Alright, I'm at 51%. I don't think there's going to be charging here, but
Probably not. But you never know.
that is true. So,
Now, where's the turning for the car park?
it is along here somewhere.
I don't remember this road being so long. Right, I think it's where those people are. Pretty sure that's
I wonder
where
if it's where that car is.
yeah. Oh, it's straight into this anyway.
Alright. Oh, there's not charging here.
Huh?
There won't be charging here. Basically a field.
Yeah.
And there's somebody camping. I didn't know they could camp here.
No, there's a sign up to say you can't camp.
No.
Just trying to think. I want a proper parking space rather than mud. Oh, there you go. Are you coming in the same